Hey guys, welcome to this techie tutorial. Today we're going to enable Hyper-V on Windows 10. First off, let's see if we have Hyper-V supported on our version of Windows. Let's go to the search bar and look for System. We're looking for System underneath Control Panel here. Open it. As you can see under Windows Edition, I'm running Windows 10 Pro. If this says Windows 10 Home for you here, then you can't enable Hyper-V. And your only option is to upgrade from Windows Home to Windows Pro. That's what I had to do to enable Hyper-V on my system for the first time. So if we have Windows 10 Pro or higher, we're ready to continue. So let's close this window. So now that that's out of the way, let's enable Hyper-V. First, we go to the search bar and look for Turn Windows Feature On or Off. Once it appears, open it. Look for Hyper-V in the list of features. Again, if you're running Windows Home Edition, you won't be able to see Hyper-V here. Once you find Hyper-V, check the box, then click OK. Windows needs to restart, so let's go ahead and do that. After restarting Windows, go back to the search bar and start typing Administrative Tools. Open it once you see it. Now let's check to make sure that Hyper-V is enabled. Double click on Hyper-V Manager here. If it opens up okay, then Hyper-V is enabled. Let's close these windows. Now go out and finish the task that requires Hyper-V. And if you have the time, please let me know if this worked or not in the comments below. Thanks guys for watching.